Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a published post in Hootsuite. To delete a post that's already been published, go to your Plan tab here on the left side of the dashboard and switch to the Calendars section, and then find the post that you want to remove. Once you found it, click on it to open the details. Now, there are no quick shortcuts from here to delete it, because it mostly depends on the platform that you posted this on. For this post of mine, I'm using LinkedIn. So in order to delete it, we press this button here that says View on LinkedIn. Now we just need to click onto these three buttons here and press the Delete Post button. And then click it and confirm. This will remove the post directly from the social media account it was published on, and not just from Hootsuite. And that's how to delete a published post in Hootsuite.